going to be trying out the vegan options that we found at Unrefined Bakery. There are only 3. We have the chocolate cupcake, the vanilla cupcake, and the strawberry vanilla cupcake. So we're all gonna try it. Even Leonie's gonna be trying this one. Oh, I know.
He already knows the chocolate.
Give me
I think she might be biased.
I think so.
It's like, she'll eat the chocolate one, be excited, eat the vanilla one, be uninterested. Strawberry, she might be interested in strawberry.
She might, I don't know.
I don't think she'll be interested in vanilla though.
I think strawberry is just vanilla with strawberry frosting in it.
I don't know strawberry vanilla.
That's
You mean vanilla cake?
Okay, let's try it.
What should we start with?
Chocolate? I'm gonna start with chocolate. Oh, I got napkins for everybody too. There you go. Ready? Chocolate. Chocolate? Chocolate. Oh. Chocolate.
Whoa, I should not be picking it up in that direction.
Here, I got it. Get this one.
No?
There you go, one.
Yeah.
very powdery. How do I feel about it?
I would rather eat a brownie, I think.
Almost like they whisked it, but by hand.
Doesn't that increase the value of it? Handmade everything?
Are you talking about the frosting that's powdery?
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's the frosting that's powdery.
No, that's the cake, I think.
No, try it. You put the whole thing in your mouth. Try the frosting.
Okay,
No,
It's the frosting that's powdery.
it's like frosting, not the cake.
because you ate it together, then it makes it all powdery.
It's all powder.
To be fair, no, that's a cake too. It's the end of it. I don't know how I feel about powder.
Okay, well, to be fair, we did pick it up like towards closing time, so maybe that has something to do with it.
And then we pick it up, we ate it a day later. Well, not a day later, like 12 hours later.
What's in the middle enough? Anyway, what do you think? You approve? She approves for eating chocolate. It don't matter.
Is she going to proceed to the vanilla with us, or is she just going to continue with her chocolate?
She's continuing with chocolate. She's gonna be on the chocolate for a little bit.
Eat the cake on this one first.
Oh, so we can separate
You
them?
can try it. See if it makes a difference. But the frosting vanilla on this one, not as powdery. It's actually tastes more like creamier.
Yeah, the cake is powdery.
There's something about this consistency of this cupcake that's throwing me off.
Tastes like cornbread.
That's what it is. It has the consistency of cornbread. So it's very dense and kind of dry. I think that's why.
Isn't that like the default for a lot of vegan stuff that you don't have like pumpkin or whatever?
I don't know.
You know, like that's a strategy, like you make pumpkin puree and then it suddenly gets soft.
Well.
Seems like they did not do anything to try to make it softer.
So when we bought these, Min Chow had a lot of. He said that the strawberry vanilla was the most promising.
Yep.
So let's see how you go with that one. Take a look.
Alright, let's eat the cake. Stuff her plate again.
I don't understand why you cake on.
It's the same.
It's the same cake?
I feel, yep.
It's the same vanilla
100%
cake?
same thing.
It's vanilla cake with strawberry frosting.
The frosting came off.
You didn't
Look at
want- you didn't want to be
Let's
part
get
of
too
it.
big.
I think it's very oily then, if we can slide off. So this is probably an oil based.
So I don't mean to complain about you guys, if you guys are watching this video.
I like the strawberry frosting.
You like strawberry frosting?
This one actually tastes natural, like they actually use strawberries in this one, right?
That's what it tastes like. I don't know if they really use strawberries, but
Maybe
that's
they
what it
mix
tastes
strawberries in with the vanilla.
Well, that's
Vanilla frosting and then they put the strawberries in it.
Isn't that how they make chocolate? You get
Vanilla
vanilla and you
frosting.
make chocolate to it. Isn't
Oh.
that
like.
Boom!
Mind blown.
But try? You didn't get it. Try it again.
Why you give it to me?
Because it's not chocolate.
Because it tastes like this, but it has a hint of strawberry.
You know, it surprises me. If they're going to mix it, why don't they put it like strawberry and chocolate is a lot stronger than vanilla and chocolate. Get a chocolate cake with strawberry, honestly.
Well,
Actually, we could do that for Leonie's, right? We could shift the strawberry over to her chocolate cake and see what she does, or she might think that we defiled her chocolate cake.
Chocolate.
It's hard to say which way she'll interpret it, right?
How do you feel? If you had to rate it from 1 to 10, what would you rate them?
I'm not gonna rate it. I'll rate it in order. The chocolate was the best, the strawberry was next, and the vanilla was last.
I think the strawberry was the best.
Yeah?
Okay, so better question, would you go back?
Would I go back?
No.
Probably not, no.
No. Sorry, guys.
But I would probably try it once later in the future. Maybe.
Give it another try.
Or try it fresh. I think that would probably be the only time I would
Like early in the morning, like try to catch it in the morning before we get like the one before
Well,
closing.
no, because to be fair, it is the next day. So we bought it yesterday, and then we didn't get a chance to eat it, so we're eating it this morning. Maybe that has something to do with it, but I'd say I agree. Give it a couple months, see if they've done better, and try again.
Try one more time, but try to get it early so that you're a little bit more fair.
Yeah. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. We've got a couple more bakeries to try while he's still here. So we'll go and check this. Lots of sweets.
Sweetness level.
You're gonna gain a couple pounds.
It's okay! It's right before the holidays, so you're already on that uphill slope anyway.
Wow. Alright.
Thanks, Lana.
Alright guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!